Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe Raiti from Raiti's Rides. I'm here at the Rolex 24 Hours 2018 edition, and what I have for you right here is the pinnacle of Corvette racing. This is the Chevrolet-backed Corvette C7R. This is everything that Chevrolet can do to a Corvette under the GTLM rules. Now, within the GTLM category, LM means Le Mans, they can do a lot of modifications. So when parked next to your standard Corvette, this car is much wider, it's a little longer, and it's got a ton of horsepower. One thing you'll be surprised to know is this does not feature the supercharged engine out of the Z06. This engine is naturally aspirated, pumping out a ton of horsepower. And guess what? Corvette has been champions many years in a row, has won Le Mans, one Daytona, one Sebring. Expect to see this car out on the track this weekend, battling the Ford GTs, the Porsche 911 RSRs, and the new BMW M8. Just take a look at the styling. You can see that this thing looks like a standard Corvette, but you can see how the bodywork is bigger. You have this rear wing back here for obviously creating downforce. If you look at the side of the car, you can see the side sills stick out for aerodynamics. The front of the car has those wider fenders on it. These things are needed to go fast in the GTLM class, and it's what allows Corvette to dominate like they do. Let me go ahead and take you to the front end of the business and show you the Corvette styling up there. All right, guys, so we're at the front end of the business of this C7R race car. The reason why they call it a C7, this is the seventh generation of the Corvette. Corvette's been around since 1953. That would be considered C1. And I promise you that 1953 Corvette would be jealous of what this car is doing, because back in 1953, the Corvette just had a straight six, barely pushing 160 horsepower. This thing is pushing out a lot more. You could see how the engineers worked with the aerodynamics. It looks like a street-going Stingray, but like I said, under the GTLM rules, the car is wider, and you can see how they took the front splitter here, the canards. It's all for directing air around the front of the car and giving it downforce. These headlights are producing bright LED white light so that they can see around the track throughout the 24-hour race. Corvette has won the championships. Corvette has won this race. The 12 hours of Sebring, 24 hours Le Mans. I am proud to see Chevrolet in it, fully backing it. It's an unbelievable feeling. And like I said, I want to thank you for watching Raiti's Rides. You know, it takes the support of you guys to inspire me to do what I do and bring you this information. If there's something that you would want to see on Raiti's Rides, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will definitely see you on the next ride.